How's it going, guys? I'm Full Throttle Junkie, and this is the Blueskysea B4K dash cam. Today we're going to be installing this on my 2017 Jeep Wrangler JKU. This camera is easy to install, easy to use, and all around a very good dash cam. It has a 120-degree wide angle lens to capture everything that is happening in front of the vehicle. With a just over 3-inch screen and an easy to use interface, the unit also has built-in GPS in the adhesive mount. The GPS route will be displayed on Google Maps when you play back the video in the GPS player. The unit uses the UCam app. The app is easy to use, which works with ISO or Android. In the bottom left corner is your watermark, which is the date stamp, the time, the speed unit, and the far right is your longitude and latitude from the GPS. The camera records in 4K at 30 frames per second, 2K at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 60 frames per second, or 1080p at 30 frames per second. In certain situations, the camera is able to capture and display other tags on vehicles clearly and legibly. The unit also has a built-in microphone on the inside of the car so you can record audio as well. So here is some footage of me saving a man from having a really bad day and forgetting his card at the Wendy's drive-thru.
I guess he doesn't want his card. I think he's coming back. Is there anybody behind us?
No. He didn't even say thank you. How rude. The camera has exceptional quality at dusk or night as well. Now, where I live, there is no street lights at all, so the only light that the camera has to pick up is from my headlights, and I think it does a pretty decent job at picking up that light. I really like this dash cam overall. Now, the only issue I had with it was that it records in a TS file, and I had to convert the TS file to MP4 in order to be able to put it in through my software, DaVinci Resolve, which wasn't too hard. So they use a TS file instead of MP4 because if a MP4 gets a loss of power while it's recording, there is a chance that it won't save that file. So they use TS file that way in the event that it does lose power in an accident, it'll go ahead and save the file, and you won't have any issues pulling that file off of the SD card. So I have to give a shout out to Blueskysea for sending me yet another great camera. I feel a little bit safer driving around having this dash cam, because if something does happen, it is your word versus theirs, and the dash cam footage just lets you have that little bit of extra security. So I want to say thank you guys for watching this, and if you like this content, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more. Check out some of my other videos for some previous cameras I've done with Blueskysea and Wanvon. Be sure to check the link down in the description for the camera, as well as the links for my merchandise on Teespring. Hop on over there and get yourself a Full Throttle Junkie t-shirt. Thanks for watching. I'm Full Throttle Junkie, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day.